Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of another pair of inexpensive, truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. But before we get started, I just want to send a big shout out and a big thank you to SZC for sending these out for review. As I always say, I really do appreciate it when companies reach out to us smaller content creators and give us the opportunity to review their products and give our 100% honest and unbiased opinions. So again, thank you SZC for making this video possible. That being said, let's get into the overall packaging and presentation. Then we're going to get into my first impressions, and then we'll wrap this video up. So starting off, let's talk about the packaging. So as you can see, this is the SZC V8 True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. And talking about the packaging, I have to say it looks really good. So up front, you just get the model number across the top, or the model across the top. You get a picture of the earbuds on the front. Around the side, again, you just have V8 right there. It's clean on the bottom. On this side, you get V8 again. And then it's clean on the top. Flipping it to the back, we have some specifications and some barcode information. So right here, as y'all can see, this bad boy has a 12-meter range. It has a 4-hour playtime. It has a 1-hour charge time and a 7 to 10 day standby time. We're going to put all of this to the test, by the way. And it's compatible with iOS and Android. Pretty much any device or product that has Bluetooth should work with these bad boys right here. So that's really, really nice. Alright. Overall, really clean, really straightforward presentation. I like this. SZC, you guys did a great job. Cracking the box. We're greeted with a thank you card. And also, if you follow these instructions, you can get a free pair of a Bluetooth speaker. So you can get a free Bluetooth speaker. So a nice little thank you card and a nice little free product. I like that. See if there's anything on the other side. Nope, it's the same on both sides. Good stuff. Overall, really nice presentation. Not bad. Put this down real quick. Let's rest that over there. Then we have the user manual. Really clean and straightforward user manual as well. Let's rest this down. We're going to come back to that. Then we have the product right here in its charging case. Now, real quickly before we move on, I just want to highlight some features as to why this product caught my attention when the company reached out. The key features of this product as to why it caught my attention is number one, it has Bluetooth 5.0 on board. Number two, it has an IPX5 sweat and water resistance rating. Okay. Number three, the charging case has a built-in LED percentage indicator, so that's really nice. And it has an easy two-step auto pairing process. So all really good features in my opinion. And when the company reached out and they told me the feature set, I was like, yeah, go ahead and send it on down. Why not? So overall, that's a really solid core feature set in my opinion, but we're going to put all of that to the test. But just so y'all know, so you're not like, why did you say yes to this company? Well, if the features are right, I'll do the video. So yeah, but overall, you can see here is the earbuds inside of the charging case. And you can definitely tell SZC took their inspiration from the AirPods. But what I like about it is they put their own little spin on it. So you can see they kind of integrated the LED percentage indicator into the case. So you got that nice white and black color scheme there with a nice little aluminum trim on this piece right here. Really, really nice. And yes, that is not a glitch. That is not a flaw. They did incorporate USB Type-C on this bad boy right here. Yes, I love to see that. Good job on that addition, SZC. All right. Okay, let's rest these down real quick. We're going to come back to this. Let's rest this right here. Let's see what else is in the packaging. So let's take off this divider here. Okay, and let's rest this down. And you can see we also have included a nice cable, which also matches the white and black color scheme. My bad, y'all. You know I can't talk sometimes. So USB-A to USB-C, really clean, nice quality cable. All right, nothing else in the packaging. Let's pick all this up, rest this all off to the side. Let's take a closer look at the earbuds, and then we're going to walk through the user manual, and we'll wrap this video up. So let me rest this all down. Okay, leave that there. Put this right here. Take all this down. Okay, now let's take a closer look at the buds and the case. So really clean case. I like it. It's a little glossy, but it's nice and small and compact. And you can see when you open it, the case powers on. Alright, so good stuff there. So it's actually got 0 charge. Now I did open this prior to recording this video, so the earbuds themselves should be fully charged up. But that's not bad. So the case actually charged up the earbuds and then it died. But all you have to do to get these to pair up is you pull them out. Okay. Now you got little touch controls on the side. And if the case did have power, okay, I got to go charge the case back up. But if the case did have power, you would, as soon as you open the case, it would tell you the battery percentage for the case, and it will automatically put the earbuds into pairing mode. Now they'll pair to each other first, and then they'll be ready to pair with your device. So that's really, really nice. Okay, and I'll throw up some B-roll of that so y'all can see what that looks like. But now let me just give y'all a close-up of the buds here. So really nice. You can see we have a microphone on the side, and it rests in your ears kind of like AirPods. Okay, got the charging ports on the bottom. All right, and then this is a touch area where my finger is. That's a touch area. So really good stuff there. Overall looking really clean. All right, and then here's a better look at the case. Not bad, not bad at all. All right, so really good stuff. Now, as I said, I've already unboxed these, but I just wanted to try and make this video as quick as possible. So I've already snapped a selfie with these on. So let me go ahead and show y'all what they look like in my ears. And let me talk to y'all about my overall experience with using them a little bit. Now, I've used them for about 20 minutes or so. And then, you know, put them back in the case, boxed everything back up. But let me show y'all what they look like here. Actually, I took the picture on the other phone. Okay. So let's pull up that selfie real quick. Here you go. So this is what they're going to look like in your ears if you decide to pick them up. And I got to say, in terms of comfort, they were extremely comfortable. And you can see they go right into my ears with no problems. So I didn't have any issues there. And they stayed in my ears. So I did the shake test. They didn't come out. It was nice and solid and comfortable. So overall, first impressions with the fit and the feel were top notch in my opinion. Now y'all be on the lookout for my fit and sound demo. I'm going to expand on my experience in that fit and sound demo. So y'all be on the lookout for that. But first impressions, these seems to be pretty good. All right. So now what I want to do is now I want to just walk through the user manual and then we'll get up out of here. Okay. And as always, if anything is unclear, I'll go ahead and throw up the screenshots and post so y'all will know exactly what's said in this user manual. And as we always do, in the full review, we'll go over everything that you need to know. Now, once again, as with the rest of the presentation, you got a nice, simple, and clean layout here. Really good stuff. And this is front and back here, so let's open it up. So the front part here, you just have some specifications. Let me give y'all a nice close-up of this. So you can see It does have Bluetooth 5.0. Okay. Each individual earbud has a 30 milliamp hour battery. Okay. It takes about approximately 40 minutes for each earbud to charge. 1 hour altogether. Okay. They have a 4-hour battery life. 2 to 3 hours if you're listening to music. We're going to put all of this to the test, y'all. And a 7 to 10 day standby time. Okay. Really good stuff there. Coming over here, we got some pairing information and a nice little diagram for y'all so you'll know where everything is. Okay. Good stuff. We're going to go over this in the full review as well. Then over here, we got some operating instructions right here. Okay. And then flipping it over, we got some more instructions over here. All right. Then we got some functionality and controls right here. So you got functionality for the left earbud. You got functionality for the right earbud. Give y'all a close-up of that. Really good stuff. And then over here, we got some more charging information and the package contents. So not bad at all. All right. So good stuff. Really clean, really simple, straightforward user manual. I like it. Okay. You can't go wrong with this one. All right. And that about does it for this video, guys and gals. So if you guys and gals enjoyed this video and or you found it helpful in any way, shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out by giving the video a big thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Okay? That being said, if this video did pique your interest, all the links to where you guys and gals can pick this bad boy up at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright? My full review for these should be out in about 2 weeks from the posting of this video, and y'all also be on the lookout for the fit and sound demo as well. This way you'll get an idea of how they look and how they may potentially sound. So we're definitely going to go through everything you guys and gals need to know on this product right here, as we always do. Okay, so y'all be on the lookout for all of my continued coverage. Now, this whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active. Sorry, I had a brain fart there. Please forgive me. All right. It's also being recorded in 720p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what y'all think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, your feedback is greatly appreciated. All right, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. We out of here.